Hey guys, it's Catfish with TGS Turf, the green stuff. Was out here at one of my favorite properties with my best employee, Big Red. I was going to introduce y'all to one of my favorite properties that I take care of out here, and I'll show a few before and after pictures of what this property looked like when we started. But we've been nurturing this field back here for a collection of neighbors and bringing it back to something useful and something that families in the neighborhood can enjoy. So follow along to continue to watch our progress on this property, and subscribe and come back for more. Thanks. Hey guys, me and Big Red just finished up, so check it out. It's not the most beautiful field in the world. There's definitely a mix of Bermuda and zoysia and tall fescue out here, so it's not completely uniform. It kind of looks splotchy in areas, but it's really clean. Came out really good. Like I say, I've been nurturing this property back to usable field for this neighborhood this whole season. So happy with it. Clients are happy, and that's all that matters. So thanks again, and check out these pictures of the transformation so far this year.